Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to upload Disney Plus videos to Google Drive from your computer for easy storage and access. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Download Disney Plus videos. Before you can upload to Google Drive, you need to download the Disney Plus content to your computer. Since Disney Plus doesn't allow direct downloads to PC, here are two main methods you can use. Option A. Use the Disney Plus app, Windows. Install the Disney Plus app from the Microsoft Store and log in with your account. Select the content you want to download, movies or shows, and tap the download icon, a downward arrow. The downloaded content will be saved within the Disney Plus app storage folder, usually found at C:\users left bracket your username, right bracket / videos on Windows. Option B. Use third-party software, PC. For more control over downloaded files, use third-party downloaders like StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader. These tools allow you to download videos in MP4 format, which is easier to upload and access. Download and install StreamFab Disney Plus Downloader. Log into your Disney Plus account via the built-in browser. Choose the content you want to download and click Download. The video will be saved in MP4 format to your PC. Step 2. Upload to Google Drive. Once you have your videos saved on your computer, the next step is to upload them to Google Drive. Go to Google Drive in your web browser and log in with your Google account. Create a folder, optional, for easy organization or use an existing one. Click the New button on the left sidebar, then select File Upload. Browse your computer and select the Disney Plus videos you want to upload. Click Open, and the upload will begin. The time it takes will depend on the size of the video and your internet speed. Step 3. Manage storage. Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage, but videos can take up a lot of space. Here are a few tips to manage your storage. Upgrade to Google One for more storage if needed. Delete old or unnecessary files to make room for new ones. You can also compress videos if you want to save space. Conclusion. Uploading Disney Plus videos to Google Drive is a simple way to back up your favorite content or access it across multiple devices. Just download the videos first using either the Disney Plus app or third-party software, then upload them to your Google Drive. Make sure to manage your storage carefully to avoid running out of space. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching.